Dinner bubbles, tiny treats. Quack and cuddle, splash and play. Happy ducks throughout the day. Fluffy wings and tiny feet. Join the pond, the fun's complete. Clouds may whisper, raindrops fall. Ducklings huddle, safe and small. Raindrop lullaby, soft and warm. Shelter close from every storm. Evening drifts with amber lights. Ducklings yawn, good night, good night. Feathers fluff in moonlit call. Dream of ponds, soft and small. Quack and cuddle, close your eyes. Dream of lily pads and